Welcome to part 23 of fixing up this Jaguar. It's a nice rainy day, very English weather for this English car in this lovely state of South Australia, the wine region, right? We're taking it out for a drive. It's been registered. Let's go. Thank you heaps for following this project. It's pretty much a running car now. The inspection went really well. I took it out to the police station for an ID check, and to be frank, they didn't check any of the safety equipment. They really did just look at the engine number, update the engine number. Then I took that paperwork to Service SA, and they gave me registration for this car. The plates are really bad on it, as you can probably see. They're the original number plates. I've got on order replacement plates for that. I'd like to make a special shout out to Frank and Joe from Fulham for providing this indicator lens. Had they looked at it, they would have said yes to it. So big ups to you guys. They gave it to me for free, very graciously. So I have them to thank for that. So really, thank you a lot, Frank and Joe. You know, other than the tune-up conditions, like, man, I'm really impressed with this car. It's smooth, it's powerful. Maybe not as high horsepower as I was hoping, but plenty of torque, gobs of torque. You know, this thing can go up hills, no problem. I guess there's nothing else to do but just to drive it and enjoy it. Maybe even a road trip episode will come out. You know, I do plan on going to Eudanda with this thing, which is where the car sat for 30 years, and I know the house where it came from. So maybe I'll take this out to Eudanda and see where it came from if you guys are interested. Even go to Mount Mary Hotel where that wet t-shirt contest bumper sticker was, you know. But you know, as far as restoration projects, I'd call this a really rousing success. So anyone can do it. If I can do it, you know, I just followed the service manual and fixed this car up according to that. So, you know, just really bloody impressed with this car. You know, it's just time for road trips now, you know what I mean? And don't worry, I won't abuse it as much as I did, as you just saw. That was just for fun. You know, 2 years gets to you, you know, you gotta trash things a little bit. So yeah, as you can probably hear, the car's running a bit, you know, like it could use a bit of a tune-up. It's got a bit of a rattle on acceleration. I'm thinking maybe it's the timing chain, just needs a bit of attention. The carburetors, I think maybe the carburetors are running a bit rich. When I started up, it seems to want to run very rich. I can see black smoke coming from the exhaust, which is indicative of a rich running condition. Thank you so much for following along with this project. Maybe I'll go back to the Leyland. I picked up a motorcycle recently. Maybe we'll start on that. But you know, keep watching, guys. You know, lots of, you know, it's a restoration vlog, so maybe I want to work on other things. But for now, I think I'm just going to enjoy this. It's really, really a fantastic car. I can, you know, year and a half of, close to 2 years of working on this, I can really see, like, it was all worth it, you know what I mean? It's a fantastic car. Yeah, well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, stay tuned.